to Somerset Prep Homestead.
Today is Friday, September 6, 2024.
I'm Rocco Castro.
And I'm Lucas Saavedra.
And you're watching Python TV. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Hello, Pythons. Something pretty strange happened today.
I'll tell them the story. So, it was a dark, stormy night.
Save it for Halloween, Rocco.
Fine. Long story short is, we switched bodies.
We kind of found a bright blue apple under the playground. And of course, we're both pretty hungry, so we split it.
But the apple was magical, and it made us switch bodies, and then Batman appeared.
Okay, no, that did not happen.
Fine. Anyway, here are the announcements.
Ella. I've been in GMYS for 4 years now. I'm the lead alto sax, and I feel like for me, GMYS hasn't just been a place where I could play. It's sort of been a place where I found people that truly wanted to support me in music, and that's not something that you find in a lot of different places. So you should totally join. We'd love to have you.
My name is Craig Herbster. I'm the main tenor for the Somerset Prep Jazz Band. I've been in GMYS for about 4 years now. And you should join GMYS because you get to make a lot of friends and you get to all play as a group. And it's really just a great time and a great place to hang out.
My name is Elizabeth Gonzalez, and I've been playing the violin for 4 years in GMYS.
My name is Alexa Mendez. I've been playing the flute, and I've been playing for GMYS for 3 years.
And we love GMYS because we can learn new instruments and improve them, and we can also get community hours.
And everybody can learn at their own pace through sectionals and the help through the teacher, Mr. Miranda.
Look at 31. Can you please give me your...
again.
Me too. Let's end the show with more apples.
What? Anyway, that's it for today, Pythons. Remember to stay positive, be kind, and make the most out of every day.
Let's make this school year one for the books. We'll be back tomorrow with more news and updates. Have a great day. Go Pythons!